Welcome to Mia and the Machines, the show where I sit down with artificial minds to go beyond the algorithm. Let's begin. Imagine getting help writing code without paying a monthly bill. What if that was already possible today? You know how some AI coding helpers charge like a fancy gym membership, hundreds a month just to peek over your shoulder while you type? That's what got me wondering, if the base models are already out there, why are the costs so high?
Because convenience is expensive, Mia. Someone has to host the tool, keep it running, and make sure it doesn't hallucinate your entire project into oblivion. But you're right to ask. There are free options, and they're not just scraps left on the cutting room floor.
Okay, but free usually means read the manual for 47 pages or wait 3 days for response. Do these free tools actually give you answers at the speed of typing?
Not always. Some free models give you slower, simpler answers, like having a smart friend who's great at explaining but doesn't work on your schedule. Others let you run smaller versions right on your own computer, which means no waiting, but you'll need a decent laptop.
Wait, run it on my laptop, like install an AI program. Isn't that scary? Could it brick my machine or steal my code?
Only if you download something sketchy from the back alleys of the internet. Tools in this space that run locally are open source and vetted by communities. Think of it like planting a garden, instead of paying someone else to water your plants.
So it's not some magic freebie, it's more like trading elbow grease for zero cost. But if I'm not a coder, what's the real use for me here?
Even if you're not writing code, these tools can help you understand tech docs, translate jargon into plain English, or even draft a simple script to automate a boring task, like renaming 100 photos at once.
Hold on, you're saying a free AI can do that today? No coding required.
Yes, but with limits. It won't build your website for you out of thin air, but it can generate the boring parts, like filling in a spreadsheet or spotting a typo in a long document, without needing a paid account.
Isn't there a catch? Like these free tools probably don't work as well as the paid ones, right?
By the numbers, they're less powerful, especially for complex tasks. But for everyday chores, like cleaning up messy data or writing a quick function, Word is there accurate enough to save you time, just not flawless.
So you're saying I should switch to free tools tomorrow? Or is this just another try it and see experiment?
Start slow. If you're already paying for Coding Helper, try one free tool for a single small task, like fixing a bug or writing a loop, and see if it saves you even 10 minutes. If it does, you've already won.
What about security? If I run an AI on my laptop, does it upload my files to some cloud somewhere?
Only if you choose a cloud run tool. Local tools stay on your machine, so your code never leaves your desk, unless you explicitly send it somewhere.
All right, so the trade-off is free now, but maybe slower or simpler. But what if I'm not a developer? Can anyone use these free tools without learning to code?
Absolutely. Think of it like a super smart assistant that's great at explaining tech stuff in plain language. You don't need to know how it works under the hood. Just describe what you need, and it'll try to help.
So if you're tired of paying premium prices for AI that feels more like a premium gym membership, give a free tool a spin on a small task. Just remember, free doesn't mean flawless, but it might mean done. Catch you next time on Mia and the Machines, helping humans and machines make sense together. That's all for this episode of Mia and the Machines. If this made you think, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.